Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Just to quickly bring you another product today, Lead Transformer Challenge is launching and then it's going to be coming to an end on the 23rd of July 2021. So, if this is what you'll be interested in getting, please click down through the bonus link below and get yourself a copy. So, I'm going to be quickly taking you through the bonus page and the sales page at the same time. As you can see, here is the bonus page here. So what is Lead Transformer Challenge all about? As you can see here, it's coming to an end in 3 days time. So you want to quickly take advantage of this before the offer comes to an end in 3 days time. Again, what is Lead Transformer Challenge all about? This is a 7 days lead that helps your clients grow their business to the next level by following a simple and proven strategy to generate quality leads on demand. It is the exact method many of my students use to get high quality leads and fast. Prices and upsells. Front end Lead Transformer Challenge $17. Access the powerful Lead Transformers Challenge software and training modules. Upsells 1 DFY package at $37, but currently it's $27. 51 DFY wisdom campaign plus PSD files. You can see upsells 2 here, auto community growth $27. It could go up to $37 here. 10 over-the-shoulder videos showing you how to grow your community on autopilot, how to grow your email list automatically, 2 DFY prospecting email FB message. Upsells 3 Biz Transformers program $333 per month, $33 trial, free trial. Instant access to the coaching program that will show you how to take this method and grow it to the next level, how to develop your high ticket offer, how to launch it successfully in 3 weeks or less, how to position yourself as an authority, how to set up a high ticket funnel that converts, 2 weekly coaching calls, accountability group. So here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting here also. Simple and newbies friendly, unique. You have not seen anything like this before. No face-to-face meeting. Method is 100% free, no paid ads. Get unlimited source of high quality leads, perfect for any type of digital product or service. All of this is covered by no question asked 30 days money back guarantee. So if this is what you don't like in the next 30 days, you can always claim your money back. And I'm going to be quickly taking you through the demo video to get more proper understanding on how this product works. So as you can see, here is one of the demo video here, and I would like you to listen to this to get more proper understanding on this product. So let me play it.
Hey there, Ivana here, and I just wanted to give you a little walkthrough of how Lead Transformers Challenge is set up and inside look at the membership area, right? So if you take a look at this, obviously once your customers join in, they are going to get an introduction here and they are going to get a group to join in as well. Now there is a little bit of preparation work, and as you will see, I have set aside like the full recording of the preparation day, and then I've also broken it into a mini section so they can either watch the big video or they can watch the small videos that are shorter and recap and homework, right? So day 1 is also set up the same way. There's a full recording, and then if they wanted to, they can go through and watch all of these videos with Q&As and homework and things like that. Day 2 as well right here. So they have everything that they need to do, the blocking the time, how to attract all these leads, how to create the authority posts. So I walked them through all these steps of how to make this happen. And then day 3, how to track the leads, day 4, who the ideal client is, how to get testimonials and things like that, creating valued posts, a lot of these things that need to happen. Now, it might sound like there's quite a bit of work. I'm giving instructions, right? But in terms of the work, it's about 10-15 minutes to put it all together and publish it, right? And I explain everything. I also give a case study right here. They also get a bonus with me, a one-on-one call, how to turn this into a very successful business as well. I also give access to the closed door membership group, and if they wanted to upgrade, then they have the Done For You campaigns, the Auto Community Growth, and then Biz Transformers program, which is a coaching program where I really work with them on establishing high ticket offer and how to get the offer in front of the right people, and doing like a 3-week launch postings to launch that successfully onto the market. I've worked with them for 3 months. So this is the membership area. This is how it all works. The Done For You campaigns are done for you right now, but we keep on adding into that package as well. So what they purchase now, in a few weeks or months, it's going to be bigger because we keep on adding the engaging posts in there as well. So thank you so much for watching this walkthrough, and I look forward to helping your customers grow their Facebook following and generate leads through it.
So I'm going to be taking you through the prices, and then we'll see how much each product worth. So bonus number 1 here is value at $427.95. It says Access Automic DFY. Bonuses Jonas Armstrong. Bonus number 2 here, value at $46.95. How to make an email group capture. Bonus number 3 here, value at $344.95. Increasingly monetizing strategy. Strategy 1, also by Jonas Armstrong. Bonus number 4 here, value at $267. Value at $267. License rights to Aurora, also by Jonas Armstrong. Bonus number 5 here, value at $197. All vendors bonuses, also by Jonas Armstrong. So guys, if this is what you'll be interested in getting before the offers comes to an end, as you can see, it's ending in 3 days time. So you want to quickly take advantage of this before the bonuses comes to an end by clicking down through the bonus link below and get yourself a copy. So I'm gonna be taking you through the the sales page now. Where is the sales page again? Here's the sales page here. So here is the sales page. You can see full-time mom cracks the FB code to attract 100 plus high quality leads and generate $304.66 without a list or paid ads. Even if you're a complete digital marketing newbie, this will works for you. Simple and newbie friendly. Unique, you have not seen anything like this before. No face-to-face meeting. Method is 100% free. No paid ads. Again, it's ending in 3 days time. I'm going to be reading some of the testimonies here for you. Some testimonial down here. See, Chandra said, I attended a training by Ivana Lead Transformer Challenge, and it was one of the best programs I have ever attended. Ivana taught us various strategies of generating organic leads using Facebook. Ivana is a no-nonsense straight shooter trainer. I could not implement all her strategy and techniques. Because of implementing one strategy, I had 55 positive engagement from my Facebook post. Thank you, Ivana, for your awesome training. I highly recommend Ivana and her coaching. Another person says here, what was the name? Anyway, never mind. Hey guys, I posted this in the group but wanted to share it here too. I wanted to say how grateful I am to be a part of the Leads Transformers Challenge. Just based on what I learned here, I was able to get 82 leads that have confirmed their interest in what I am doing and are set to jump onto a call with me. All this from a few simple posts that Ivana Najak taught me how to do. I highly recommend the Leads Transformer Challenge. This has changed the way I am generating leads, customer and clients. Thank you, Ivana. So guys, you can see amazing testimonies here. If this is what you will be interested in getting once more, click down through the bonus link below and then get yourself a copy before the timer comes to an end. So Ivana is the trainer, is the one launching the product, so you want to take advantage of the offer before it comes to an end here. So I'm gonna be taking you back to the bonus page here. So wait. So guys, if this is what you'll be interested in getting once more, quickly click down through the bonus link below and then secure yourself a copy. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel also, to also help me to grow my channel. And then I will be seeing you in the next video. And cheers for now. Bye.